Alrighty, so pre-market analysis. Let's start with GU. As we said yesterday, daily is bullish, swing is bullish, internal is bullish. We reacted from our EQ, below our EQ, on the only unmitigated demand, and we had that shock. So price is pushing to the upside now, potentially breaking that internal weak high. H4, swing is bullish, internal is bullish as well. We're in phase A. We reacted from the internal H4 low, and now we're pushing to the upside, potentially breaking that, potentially looking to break that swing high, that weak swing high. But just for now, I'm looking to break that internal high. It's weak, didn't achieve anything, failed to break that internal low, so it doesn't have any inducement or anything, so I'm looking for price to break it potentially. M15, internal is bullish, swing is bullish. We reacted from our extreme demand, gave us an IBOS, internal breakout structure. Internal shifted bullish. We started pushing to the upside, respecting internal structure in phase A. Now we pulled back, creating internal strong low and internal weak high. We reacted from demand that had inducement, and then we just shifted bullish on the fractal structure, right? So now we are basically sitting at our fractal extreme demand, and I'm looking to take potentially buys from here, targeting the internal weak high. We have a lot of inducement above to target, a lot of equal highs slash lower resistances. So what I'm waiting for basically is just an LC2A. That LC2A there just got tagged here, and it's not valid anymore because it's not valid basically. If it was there, stops would be 2 pips below, and you'll get hit. But anyway, for now, what I'm waiting for is just a basic choke. We have that as an inside the bar, a choke, and a push to the downside. Just to note that our fractal structure doesn't have any inducement, so we could see something like a sweep of just that fractal low and continue. I mean, fractal low, not fractal high. A sweep of just that fractal low and continue to the upside, right? That could happen, respecting that M15 internal low and never breaking below it, as in candle closure below it. Yeah, so we could just see some sort of sweep and then push into and then push to the upside. And yeah, so that's basically what I'm waiting for. On GU at least. So let's see if that will play out. Tomorrow is NFP day, so I need to be very careful with taking trades today and not holding them for longer. EU daily is bearish. All right, our swing is bearish. Our internal is bullish, however. So price is bullish for now. Looking to take price potentially to that daily supply, or to EQ at least, and then we'll see what will happen if that daily supply will get respected. I don't think so because, well, it doesn't have any inducement, so I'm expecting bullish price until we break that swing high, until we break that daily daily supply. H4 H4 swing is bearish, internal is bullish, so we're in phase C, looking to take price potentially till EQ or even above it. So looking to just follow internal structure. Internal structure is bullish. We reacted from demand and shifted bullish, continued to the upside. Yeah, so now looking potentially to just break that internal high. We just swept it now. We don't have any fractal high that we can get choke from, so I'm expecting price to just continue bullish to the upside, to be fair. But yeah, so on the medium time frame is bullish, internal is bullish, swing is bullish. Currently we're in phase A2 because we just had the boss, so I'm not really that interested in taking buys, although I know that internal structure here, it would be more valid or valuable to just trade internal structure, right? As in to just follow internal structure. But we'll see if I'll get potentially trade from here. We're in phase A2, right? But yeah, I mean, if we're gonna get trade from here, we have the extreme internal demand, right? Swept. I mean, it has the inducement in front of it. We don't have any unmitigated demand till there, so this should be the only unmitigated flip demand. Has inducement, should be respected, and now basically just wait for an LC to A, and we should be fine, I think. And I think we have it just right there. Let me just double check. Yeah, I think this is an LC to A. So that's the low 7069. That low gave us a choke right around there, so that would be our fake break, and that would be our liquidation. So yeah, we could potentially look for entries from here. This is the type of phase A that I would like to trade, because well, I would trade that phase A and potentially look to target that weak high, right? So yeah, so that's basically everything. If you take that trade right there, I think we should cover the highs, the lows, sorry, and just target yeah, and just target 1 to 3 potentially until that weak high gets broken, right? So yeah. Yeah, so that's everything for our pre-market analysis. Let's see how price will develop and if we'll get any entries. And yeah,